Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here to my channel, I'm Valerie and this is Violet. She's my little sidekick and she's normally in all my unboxings. Um, so today, first of all, I hope everybody's doing well today. I'm doing much better, I feel better. I didn't get any makeup on, so forgive me for that. My hair's still wet from getting out of the shower, but I go back to work tonight, so I'm kind of pressed for time, but I wanted to come on and do an unboxing because I got a box today that I wasn't expecting until Monday. So let's get into it. And we are doing Play by Sephora. Yay! Last month I got my first Play by Sephora and I actually really liked it. And I've been using the products and I love some of them. Some of them are really awesome products. And so I'm really excited about seeing what's in this one. I have not looked at any of the spoilers. I have stayed away from it. I do not want to know. I want to be surprised. I've seen a couple of unboxings of what other people are getting. And but I think it's always tailored a little bit more to everybody's different. I think everybody gets different things. So if you're not familiar with Play by Sephora, it is a monthly subscription. It costs $10. And they send you, I think, 4 to 6 samples of makeup, skincare, that type of stuff. And then you get like a point card every month that you can take into a Sephora store. And if you purchase something, you get like 50 points. And it's like you have like this account with Sephora. And you can earn points and rewards and that kind of thing with them as well. And you can order directly from their website too. I don't think I did last month, but I'm not sure if there's a referral link or not. But I think it's just like Sephora.com is how I got hooked up with this. And you kind of have to look a little bit for the beauty boxes. But if you play around in it, I'm not exactly sure where it's at. But so far, I'm really liking it. So let's get into it and see what we have this month. And by the way, I'm feeling much better today. Did I say that already? Or did I start to say that? I'm still on medication, so I am feeling better today. My face is almost back to normal. It's still a little swelled up a little bit there and there, but it's feeling much better. My pain's been very manageable today, so show off, and share using hashtag Sephora Play. This is what the inside of the box looks like. You get this, and this tells you about the products, and there's your 50 play point things right there. Oh, it's in-store or online. It used to be just in-store from what I understand, but the last one I got and this one says in-store or online. So you can redeem them either way. And then that's what the box looks like inside. I'm sorry, there's no tissue paper for you today. And they normally have a theme. So let's see what the theme is. It says last minute looks for Halloween. It's got all this cute stuff in it. And then on the back, it tells you all the products that you got in your box. So let's see if there's anything in here that we need to know about. Not really. Not really. So I'll look over that later. Scary Good Beauty. Grab a handful of these beauty treats that are sure to get the party started and keep it going all night long. All right, so let's get into the bag. And they switched bags to these. There used to be a different type of bag. And then it says on the back, open here to start your next beauty adventure. You guys can see that. All right, I'm just going to pick one out, and I hope I get lip stuff this time. And this is not lip stuff. This is not lip stuff. Okay, so this is Clinique. This says on here, just wing it. Clinique Beauty. Oh, I'm sorry. Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in black. Ooh, I got one in one of my boxes recently, so I've got another one. And I did try it, and I really do like it. An easy to apply eyeliner pen that delivers precise lines for 24 hours. While we're under its spell, this pen creates clean, dramatic lines in one swoop using a tapered brush that's perfect for thick or thin. Ooh. Plus, the deep black color won't budge, so you're safe to cover your eyes during scary movies. How to use? Use the pointed tip of the brush to create a thin line and the flat edge of the brush to get a thicker line. Okay, so let's open this up. And we see what we got here. Violet's anxiously seeing what she wants to see. Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It is black. So cool. So now I've got quite a bit of black eyeliner. Plus I got another liquid eyeliner too from another box. It was between Target and Walmart. I can't remember. Okay, let's go for the next one here. And this is the Fresh Rose Face Mask. Intensify or infused with real rose petals, hydrates and tones. Okay. And this is by Fresh. There we have it. I know I gotta glare. Fresh Rose Face Mask, a toning and hydrating gel mask that visibly restores skin radiance and suppleness while we're under its spell. This unique cooling mask is a bouquet of goodness for your skin. The refreshing formula moisturizes, soothes, and protects skin with real rose petals, pure rose water, cucumber extract, aloe vera gel, and green tea. How to use. Apply a quarter size amount to cleanse skin and leave on for 10 minutes and rinse. Okay, I always like masks. And I've had some masks and I haven't been able to use them because of all this going on my mouth. And I just was not wanting to put anything on my face like that. So, rose face mask, that's what it looks like. Hope that helps. Got a seal on it. Oh, it does smell like roses. And it looks like it's got real roses in there. Okay, cool. So I will try that. I will try that. Little Miss Violet lets me have it. All right, next item. Moving on. Oops. I dropped one. We'll go with this one. All right, this is Bare Minerals. Bare Nude. Oh, liquid lipstick. Woo-hoo-hoo. I've never tried liquid lipstick, and I've been wanting some. Okay, so this is What Shine Is Yours. This is by Bare Minerals. A full coverage liquid lipstick in a muted mauve shade with a lacquer-like finish. While we're under its spell, this lightweight, high-shine lipstick delivers fuller-looking lips using a comfortable, non-drying formula, plus nurturing ingredients like jojoba, oil, algae, and mineral extracts keep skin smooth, soft, and hydrated. How to use. Use the edge of the applicator to define lip parameter and then swipe the flat side over the center of the lip to fill in. So yes, oh cool. I've been wanting some lip stuff. Finally. In liquid, because I've never, like I said, I've never tried it. So that's a really pretty color. I really think I'd gonna like that. I'm excited. If nothing else, this is what I really am excited about. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Let me swatch a little bit here. Guess I could have put some on, but it's kind of hard to hold my lips to put lipstick on right now. So that's the color. I think I'm going to like it. I think that's really pretty. I like it. So yeah, I'm excited about that one. Awesome. Would you like some lipstick? Huh? Would you like some lipstick? You just lick it off. Okay, next item. Looks like perfume again. This month's bonus. Okay, this is the bonus. Is Yves Saint Laurent Um, Montpellier Eau de Parfum. A modern floral scent inspired by the sparkling city of Paris with notes of red berries, pear, and peony. About the brand, Yves Saint Laurent brings a cutting-edge Parisian aesthetic to fashion, fragrance, and cosmetics. Meet the blend. Fragrance family is floral. The top notes are raspberry, strawberry, pear. Middle notes are peony, jasmine, sambac, orange flower. Base notes are white musk and cedarwood. So, I like perfume samples, if I can get into it here. I have to tear it? I guess I have to tear it. And I like Yves Saint Laurent stuff, so. Oh, it's a little spray. Last time I had a pull-off one, so let's spray it here. Ooh. I think I like that. You like it, Violet? Yeah, I like that. It's kind of clean. Oh, I like that. Okay, awesome. That I will definitely use. Montpellier. All right. Looks like we got a couple more items. All right. I'm not sure how to say this. Caudalie. Vino Perfect Serum. Radiant Serum. Okay. And it's an oil-free, good, radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. While we're under a spell, the lightweight brightening formula combats the appearance of dark spots with natural ingredients, plus it absorbs quickly into skin for ultimate hydration. How to use. Apply a dime-sized amount to cleanse skin morning and night. Okay, awesome. I can always use some serum. I like serum. I have quite a bit of samples from, oh gosh, now I'm gonna draw a blank. I can't remember. But I really like it. It's Genifique. Whoever does Genifique, Lancome. I got some Genifique and I have some Visionaire that I still have, and I use. I like to use that. Oh, I like this applicator. So let me try it here. All I can smell is a perfume. So that's what it kind of looks like, if I can get in the camera here. Wow, it doesn't take much, and it really spreads out a lot. Yeah, that does absorb it in the skin nice. And it doesn't leave my skin feeling tacky. Sometimes it feels a little tacky. But yeah, I think I would like that. Okay, so cool. So that's serum. All right, and the last thing in the bag is really tiny. And this is what are you waiting for? It's by Tarte, which I've never had a Tarte product. It's my first one. And it's Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. Oh, it's a face primer. A hydrating primer that refreshes skin and protects it from environmental pollutants while we're under its spell. This fast-absorbing primer softens and smooths skin with algae and marine plant extracts. Hyaluronic acid delivers moisture so skin appears visibly firmer and supple. And it says suppler, but it should actually be more supple. How to use. Before applying makeup, massage a dime-sized amount into skin. All right, cool. I did get, I think, was it last month? In here, I got one, a face primer by a different company. So yeah, I'm going to be anxious to try that. Let's see. This is a small bottle thing. That's a tiny thing. Okay, let's see, seal off here. Come off. Okay, the seal like separated itself from the back. The backing of it separated itself. There we go. Okay. So that's what it looks like. You think that? It smells good, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. It smells good. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think this is going to be nice. All right, so I think it was a pretty good box this month. But like I just said, this is only the second box I've gotten. So I really don't know much about it yet. So let's go over and recap what I got. So I got the Fresh mask, the rose face mask. I've got the bonus Yves Saint Laurent's Mon Paris perfume, which I like. I really like that. And I got the Bare Minerals liquid lipstick. That's what I'm really excited about. Yay! So if I can get all this in here. And I got the Caudalie serum, face serum. And I got the Tarte face primer. What was that? Rainforest of the Sea. And then I got the liquid eyeliner pen. So that's pretty good. That's pretty decent. These must be really popular right now. Everybody's been sending me these, which I'm fine with it. I can always use eyeliner. I just wish maybe that they would send it maybe in a different color. I don't always want black. I'm trying to go a little bit lighter. But other than that, that's okay. I'm seeing that there's always seems to be quite a bit of skincare in this box, and that's fine. But I would like to see maybe some eyeshadow. Maybe some eyeshadow, a little bit more makeup is what I'm kind of wishing to see. But it's good. It's good. I'm really thrilled about lip color. I can't wait to try it and see what I think about liquid lipstick, because I've never tried it. So that's it, guys, for the Sephora this month. So tell me what you guys thought. Did you think it was a good box this month? Did you guys get the same things I got, or did you get something different in your box? Or if you've never tried it and you're interested in trying it, just check out Sephora.com and you can order it through there. It's $10 a month, so it's like, you know, that really doesn't cost much at all. And I've enjoyed it. This is my second month, and I've actually really enjoyed it. I'm gonna keep going with it, and see where we're going. So that's it for today, guys. I'm kind of in a hurry. I got to get to bed to take a nap because I have to go to work tonight. And after being off work almost a week, it's gonna probably kill me. But I don't really want to go. I'd rather stay home. But gotta go make some money. So you guys have a great rest of your weekend. And like I said, if you're new here and you like this type of videos, unboxings, and so forth, please, before you leave, consider subscribing and click that subscribe button. And then you can tap the little notification bell, and that way you'll be notified of any of my new videos. And for all those of my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, hey, thank you guys so much. Love you and love everybody. Love you all, and just thank you all so much. You have a great weekend. Bye-bye.